Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter game not working on PS5 consoles, not launching or won't launch issue, crashing problem such as crashes at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. First solution, restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Now unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Mistfall Hunter game and then select restore, select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Solution 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and choose HDMI type, turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to change console language. Open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to language section, then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language to fix the problem. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Mistfall Hunter game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, make sure to back up this save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage delete. Now select Mistfall Hunter, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Now choose do not specify for DHCP host name. In the DNS settings, choose manual and then in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and for the proxy server choose do not use and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then launch the game and check. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on a PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Mistfall Hunter game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Mistfall Hunter game not working, crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.